Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to resize a video clip for free with TinyWow. So first thing is just simply open up the browser into your device and now just simply go to tinywow.com. Now this will be their homepage, and after that just simply go ahead and search over here and use search bar and search for resize video and tap on search. And now from here, just simply wait for it. And if it redirect you to the tools tab, as you can see, just simply search it again, resize video, and tap on search. Now from here, as you can see, we have the tool resize video. So select that. And now once you have selected it, it will redirect you to the tool. And right away, you could just simply upload from PC or mobile by selecting this blue icon to upload a video, and just simply select a video from your gallery and just simply wait for it to be uploaded. And now from here, you can adjust the video resolution. So pretty much this will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for 800 to resize it. And after that, just tap on convert and just simply wait for some time as the TinyWow process your video. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching. See ya.